Welcome to the Fusion Mastery course. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about flatten. After completing this lesson, you'll be able to flatten a selection of vertices. For our next example, you want to upload the file FSAE Steering Wheel 6. Again, we want to make sure we activate the grip component and we edit Form 1. Now this model is slightly farther along than our last version. We still have a creased edge that we added, but you'll notice that the face of our thumb pedestal has changed. It's been shrunken down and rotated slightly. Now through this process, it's no longer flat. If we rotate this around, we can see a slight crown here. In order to handle this discrepancy, we need to add a feature to modify the face called flatten. So from your modify dropdown, navigate down to flatten. This will allow us to do several different things. We can use a fit direction, which will take an average of all the points we select. We can use a selected plane or a selected parallel plane. By using the fit method, it'll allow us to create some off-axis geometry and not be fixed to any certain plane that we've created. However, if you have a model that you need to restrain to a certain angle or a certain type of plane, you can use that as your reference. In our case, make sure the direction is set to fit, and we want to start by selecting this midpoint, and we're going to select all the points around this face. As we get at least 4 vertices, it'll start to average it. And we can see a preview on screen of the ghosted image of what the shape used to look like. If we zoom in slightly, you can see a slight ghosted edge here. Once we say OK, we now have a flattened version. Let's go ahead and finish form, and note that back in the modeling environment, when we select this face, it now looks nice and flat. Let's go ahead and save our file.